Hello everyone and welcome back. I have the Double Fire Polish Beads of the Month Club to unpackage with you guys today, as well as two of their additional findings and crystal add-on packs to the subscription. And if you're curious about any of the Beads of the Month Club subscriptions, I highly recommend them. I have a playlist going through all the different types that they have, but you can also check out their website for all the information you need. I'll leave that down below, the link for them, as well as I have a coupon code. It's OPAL10, OPAL10, that will save you 10% off the first month if you decide to sign up. And if you want to rotate through all of their different clubs, they do have 6 different ones that they're offering right now, and I just happen to be on the Fire Polish Beads Club. So before we get into this one though, let's take a look at our companion packs here. Let's get into our findings first. So these are optional add-ons and they ship with your beading package. You do have to be a Bead Club member, but you don't have to pay any additional shipping costs for these. So if you're interested, they do switch up the colors of the assortments every single month, and they include high quality, really unique findings typically. So here you can see we've got the matte gold assortment and a number of different things. Just a little peek. And check out that chain. That is going to be fun to look at. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what they've included in this month's companion pack. All right, so the first item we're going to take a look at is this 11mm cable chain, which is definitely a statement. I really like the fact that it is not that heavy. Like, it looks very substantial, and it is. I just love this, actually. It's got this matte finish. All of these have the matte gold finish, which I think is really unique. We're used to seeing the shinier gold findings, and this just feels a little bit different and just something I wouldn't normally pick up. And I love having these chunkier chains sometimes, like not a ton of them, but sometimes it's nice to switch it up because you can do some really interesting projects with these. They've got those wide open links and they're just in great shape. Like I said, like they're kind of lighter weight, but you know, not too lightweight. Still feels substantial and a very good quality. And the next items on the list are 3 round toggle clasps, and it says various sizes. These look like they're about I don't know, 12 to maybe a 10 to 12 millimeter range. We've got 2 of them that are a little bit larger and one that is a little bit smaller. And they're very simple. And again, they have that matte gold finish. These all coordinate really well. And I really don't have hardly anything in this type of finish. All right, then we do have another toggle clasp. It says square toggle, which is cool. It's kind of like a frame, and it's got a curve. This is one of those things you could use in the front of a necklace as a pendant component because it just looks really decorative. It's got that hammered detail, but still matte and not super shiny. So that's really different. Next up, we have a set of 2 pairs, that is, butterfly earring studs with the backs included. These are so cute. You see I have one tipped on its side there. But yeah, really simple butterfly design. These just feel like they're in really good shape. I like those quite a bit. Next up, we have 2 multi-loop links. They're a little hammered, have an oval-like shape, and you can see those couple of loops that are included on each one. So lots of potential there for different things, different uses. And then to wrap it up with the Findings Companion Pack this month, we do have a set of 12, 6mm jump rings in the 18 gauge. So as usual, they include a very well-rounded assortment of items. So if you don't have things already specifically that go with the particular finish or color that they send that month, you do get usually enough things to put something together directly from that companion pack. And at the very least, it gives you a really good start with any certain color that they send. Okay, so next up we have the Crystals Companion Pack, another option if you like working with high quality crystals such as Swarovski. And some of the ones they are sending are actually genuine Swarovski crystal. So they will note that on the sheet. You can see the little asterisk and an S indicating what's what. And it looks like this one here is genuine, and then the last one, but they've done a great job at sourcing other crystals that feel just as nice, look just as nice, and are great to work with too for these companion packs, since those items really aren't even made anymore. So as they have some stock, they're still kind of sending that out for now, but what they're adding to it is really just as good. So this is the Satin Chrysolite Orchid Pendant, 20mm in size. It's got a grayish tone to it, lots of reflectiveness. Would be beautiful layered. Lots of potential there. So we usually get some type of focal crystal pendant in that companion pack. And then the other two items that they have sent, let's see, we have the Majestic Blue Bicones in 5mm. Get focused on that. Look at that cobalt blue. It's so vibrant, transparent, and sparkly. Those are lovely. And then our third selection this month, these are the Morian AB cubes, 6mm in size. So it looks like they've got a, I don't know, it's like under the light, they're kind of a deep grayish, greenish color. Definitely have that AB iridescence as well. Those are beautiful, and they definitely pick up the cobalt blue in those bicones next to them. All right, so if you're interested in picking up the companion packs, you can definitely do that as well. Add those on to your existing bead club, and all the details for these are listed on their website also. But that is a really good example of what you can expect to receive for these companion packs. And they really do add a lot of interest and value and supporting high quality materials to the beads that you're already receiving, maybe even picking up or receiving things that you normally wouldn't pick up at your local store or just as you're doing your bead shopping. It's always great to have some of these additional items to pull from in your stash, and it's a fun surprise to work with something you didn't necessarily pick out. So now that we have checked those out, let's look at our main item here, our double fire polished beads of the month club. It looks like our theme this month is called Rainbow Connection. So we've got 8 different items here to look at. And I have not really even hardly looked at these yet. We're going to take a look at them each individually together. Here is a little flip over. So we do have a very colorful assortment to check out of these fire polished beads. I'm gonna make a little bit more space and I'll be right back and we can take a look. Okay, so for item number 1, we have the Topaz Green Antique Ovals. They are a 12 by 9mm size. You just get that little peep of green through that golden yellow color. There's 20 pieces included. And this is the double rotating club. So you're going to get twice the quantities of beads in this one as you would in the single club. So you have that option too. If you'd like a smaller pack of beads monthly, you can check that option out on their website, but it's pretty much just half the quantities of what you see here. You still get 8 different selections. Those are beautiful, and they all come in these really nice for storage flip top clear containers, which I reuse all the time in my bead storage. All right, in package number 2, we have the green blue antique triangle cut gems in 6mm, and it is a pack of 40. Again, you have that little bit of blue swirled in there. Some have a little bit more than others. And then to add to that, you have the round shape with the cuts. There's like 3 cuts on each one, as you can see, making them just a little bit different than a basic druck or round. Those are so pretty. All right, I went ahead and took all these out so I wasn't struggling with the containers and trying to fumble around with those. Here we have the bronze topaz antique octagonal beads in 8mm. There's 20 pieces of these with their little 8-sided shape and lots of transparency, a little bit deeper of a topaz color. We have the topaz over here to the left, and it's a little bit lighter looking, but also the way that is made. Let's see if I can hold that up a little bit. It's got the bronze on either end, so it's kind of like its own little bead cap, sort of like a little cathedral bead there, and it just makes the overall appearance a little bit deeper. Next up, we have, that's an interesting name, we have the Rufus Drops, 5x7mm size. I just used this size actually, these same size faceted drops in my previous tutorial. I had a little floral pendant design, so check that out if you have also received these this month in your bead club and you're looking for something interesting to do with these. You can put a couple of them together and place them around a beaded bezel and they look like little flower petals. So those are kind of a reddish, orangey brown color, very interesting, kind of adds a different color and richness to these over here. And then next we have the copper French rose gem cut rondelles in the 4x6mm size. So these have a lighter pinky violet color. They're faceted. They also have that capped appearance where they have the copper color showing up on either side near the hole location. Those are so sweet. And then that's followed by the matte Apollo gold round beads in 6mm. And these are the fire polished rounds, so they do have the faceting. And in the Fire Polish Club, you can expect to get an assortment of different sizes of the Fire Polish rounds. In addition to the other shapes, there's just so many other options with the finishes, color, sizes, cuts, and everything else in the Fire Polish. So it is a nice surprise when those come in. You don't know quite what you're going to get, but you also do know for sure you're going to get some of these faceted rounds. So here we have the 6mm size. There's 40 pieces of those, and as you can see, they have a matte and frosty look with a little bit of the copper mixed with just the transparent glass, which adds an extra softness to those. So in addition to the 6mm size, we also have an assortment of 4mm fire polish rounds. These are the Bluebell rounds. 160 pieces total of those. And it is kind of subtle. It might be a little bit difficult to see in that container. Let me see if I could put these down and show you how they look stand alone. Maybe I'll pick up a few of them. There we go. You can see that a little bit better, how it's not a solid blue, but some areas are left clear like that and more swirly. So huge. And then our final selection here, these are the 3mm Tanzanite rounds. So a deeper purple tone, and there's 160 pieces included in this one as well. And it does look like those are a solid Tanzanite, just solid purple all the way through, but still transparent, letting some light through. All of these being really glossy and shiny and very uniform, all the things you expect for the check glass. And it's really beautiful seeing all of these in the palette, seeing them all out in the tray, how they look together with all their different colors in this rainbow connection theme. So that's pretty much everything. It's a lot of beads to work with, especially as you get going. It's kind of deceiving how much you can actually create from these bead clubs, and we still have more of those, that first selection that I don't even have in the tray. So that is gorgeous. I think they have done a fantastic job. In addition to the beads, you also get a link on your invoice where you can download 3 printable beading patterns each and every month to add to what you're doing and give you some new ideas for things to work up and projects to work on. And here is the insert for the beads if you want to refer back to this for any reason. I wanted to be sure to share that with you so you can pause the screen if you want to see what any of those specifically are called. And as a reminder, I do have that coupon code OPAL10 if you'd like to save 10% off your first month of any of their beading clubs. And I definitely recommend them. Check out their website, see all the different options they have for your own specific beading needs and whatever it is you like to do. It's always a very fun surprise every month to receive these, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. So thank you guys again for joining me to check out the double rotating fire polish beads of the month club and the crystals and findings companion packs. It's great to have you all joining me. I hope to see you all again real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this bead club or anything else you'd like to say. And until next time, I will see you again real soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And as always, happy beading.